I really have got to figure out a way to use my eyes better to see if this is in focus because I simply just can't tell. Yes, hopefully? Okay, here we go. Today's video is an unboxing for this awesome Fab Fit Fun box. This is my second box that I've gotten. I got the first one a few months ago. If you don't know what Fab Fit Fun is, it's a seasonal subscription box. So every 3 months you buy the box and then they send you stuff. So this is their summer one. It's super cute and florally. But I got the springtime one and loved it so much I decided I would keep the subscription. It's like $50 every 3 months and they send you like $250 worth of stuff. So it's totally worth it. They usually have some kind of a coupon code that you can find. That's what I did for my first one. And you get it for like 30 bucks or something like that. I'll see if I can find like a code or something because I really loved the last box that I got. So I think I'm going to like this one too. And if I do, it's worth it and it's fun. So if you haven't ever tried this box, you should because it's fun. Okay, let's get into this. It's really disgustingly hot in this room right now, so I'm going to try not to make this the longest video in the world, but sometimes I just get chatting and then suddenly it's been 7 years and I don't even know. Listen, cut away from the face. There we go. Now for the funnest part of the reveal. Oh! Ooh! This is what it looks like inside of there. You can't see anything except this cute necklace on the top. Oh. There are a lot of fun things inside of here. So this little magazine thing just has basically all of the stuff that's in the box this time around. It tells you like what they are and how much they cost and all of that cool stuff. We're just gonna go. I don't need that. So on the Fab Fit Fun website, you can also get things that are like add-ons. I had a little credit on my account because last time my box got lost. They were super helpful. So I'll give a thumbs up for their customer service stuff. But this is just a little necklace I added on because I had a credit. So this is a necklace from 8 Other Reasons, I think is what it's called. Oh, this is so cute. It's one of those really cute, like, layery necklaces. I'm not going to take it off the thing because it's going to get tangled, but it has, like, all the different little things. I think this was, like, $7 or something like that. So then, this is, pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off their first box. Hey, friend, if you want $10 off your first box, reach out to me and I'll send you the coupon code for this. I don't know. That felt right to do. There's a straw in here. Why? There's a straw that says, "This straw saves marine life. Give us a sip.us." That makes me happy. Paper straw. That's so good because I use straws way too much. What else? Habanera, marinella, Hawaiian black lava, body caviar with charcoal. There's a lot of words on there that I'm not comfortable saying. This says, a new body caviar, premium oil and salt body scrub. Ooh, yes. Will truly revolutionize your skin. Well, I'm obviously not going to be able to try this right at this moment because it's probably something you need to be wet to do, and clearly that's not happening right now. I should pay someone to open things for me. Oh! It smells oily. Well, I always like body scrubs, especially for summertime. Is this a tiny cute wallet? Or a luggage tag? I don't go anywhere. Oh, it's just like a little baby wallet. It's gold and peach, and it has a little wrist strap. That's super cute. The next thing is this enzymatic cream exfoliator advanced skincare from Elemis. What does this say? Apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water, exfoliate, and purify tired lackluster skin. I have tired lackluster skin. What's this? Uh-oh. This is something for exercise. Fab Fit. That's the fit part. This is a Fab Fit Fun TV loop resistant band. What does that mean? It tells me that there's a workout video I can use on the Fab Fit Fun website. I feel stronger already. Ooh, Kula. This is a classic sunscreen. They know me so well. Gotta keep this skin pasty white. The brand Kula is just their sport classic face sunscreen, which I always need because sunscreen's been... Pier 1. Cute. Pier 1 Sports. It's inside of these. It's flat. Oh my gosh, a catch-all bowl. Okay, do you know how many 8,000 little catch-all dishes I have? But I love them. This is so cute. I'm going to put this on my desk. Look, it's like marbly with a little gold. I like that. What else? Oh my. That's exciting. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow Contour and Highlighting Palette. This is good. It's the one that opens up like all fancy. You got your contouring, you got your highlighting. That's a good little, it smells like chocolate. Listen, these little palettes are almost 50 bucks. So when you pay $50 for this box, you're really buying like one of the really nice things that comes in it, and then you just get a bunch of other crap for basically for free. That's why I like this. It's like getting a gift. There's two last things in here. This is a towel. I feel so uncomfortable filming when people are home because they probably think I'm in here talking to myself like a freaking weirdo. It's so soft. I'm the only person who's like 3 years old and can't ever open things. What? Oh, is it like a beach blankie? What are you? That better not be a towel because that's weird texture for a towel. It says beach towel, but I would probably just sit on it. You wouldn't want to dry yourself with this. But look how cute. It's really soft. That would be nice to sit on. Cute. Okay, last thing in here that I left for the very last thing because it's freaking exciting. This little thing is totally worth getting this box because these are normally $49 and it's the freaking Foreo Mini. This is a little face washy thingy. I've heard really good things about this, but I haven't wanted to buy one because I have a Clarisonic. But this is like a silicone one, so you don't have to replace any of the brushes or anything. The Foreo Minis, I don't think are rechargeable, so you can only use them like 100 times or something. No! 400 uses. This is just the Foreo Mini. It's not the Foreo Play. That's so exciting. I'm so excited to try this. I got through that a lot faster than I thought I would. I know. Thank you. Thank you. Well, that was a super quick, fun unboxing. I definitely recommend getting this box. It's a fun little thing to get a bunch of new stuff to try out that you might not normally try. Obviously, it is a pricier subscription box. There are some out there that are like 10 bucks for a month. Look like a cockatoo. As I was saying, there are obviously boxes out there that are like $10 a month. Like Ipsy and Birchbox. Is that still a thing? Those are good, but I feel like you don't get as many products that you actually would use in there. The ones that are like $50, I got a ton of cool stuff in there. Really, there were a couple items in there that were like $50 just on its own, so I think it's worth it. This is one that I definitely recommend, especially because it only comes through 4 times a year. There are 4 seasons. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.